Okay, so guys, we are here to discuss the eighth wave line in any transmission line. So let us consider here the length of a transmission line is lambda by 8, where lambda is our wavelength. From input side we are supplying a source voltage, and from the load side we are observing the voltage at ER, and the load resistance is given by ZR, and the current here is IR, and the source current is IS. So as we know, the input voltage is equals to Z0 in bracket ZR plus J Z0 10 beta of S, where S is the length of this transmission line over here, Z0 plus J ZR 10 of beta S. So this is the input impedance we are observing. So now let us consider as S is equals to lambda by 8 line, and we also know that beta is equals to 2 pi by lambda. So Zin is equals to Z0 ZR plus J Z0 10. As we know, beta is equals to 2 pi by lambda, 2 pi over lambda into S divided by Z0 plus J ZR 10 2 pi by lambda into S. Now substituting the value of S as lambda by 8 in this equation number 1. So by substituting the value of S as lambda by 8, we can get the result as Zin is equals to Z0 plus Z0 bracket ZR plus J Z0 10 2 pi by lambda into lambda by 8, as we given the value of S in our equation number 1, and denominator, that is Z0 plus J ZR 10 2 pi by lambda into lambda by 8. Zin is equals to Z0 ZR, and after simplifying this lambda cancels, and 2 4, that is pi by 4, J Z0 10 pi by 4 divided by Z0 plus J ZR 10 pi by 4. We know that 10 pi by 4 is equals to 1. So Zin is equals to Z0 ZR plus J Z0 divided by Z0 plus J ZR. As we know that our network is purely resistive, so ZR is equals to Z0. Okay, so Zin is equals to Z0 ZR plus JZR divided by ZR plus JZR, and this gets cancelled out, and Zin is equals to Z0. As we can say, for a lambda by 8 line, our input impedance must be equals to the characteristic impedance. In that case only our line is distortionless line, or in other words we can say that the 8th wave line is generally used to transform any resistance ZR to any impedance Zin having the magnitude equal to the characteristic impedance R0 of the line. Thank you.